Hello and welcome to SignageDetails.com. SignageDetails.com is the ultimate tool for sign companies, bringing unparalleled efficiency and productivity to your sign design process. In this video, we'll guide you on downloading and seamlessly integrating proven, industry-standard, permit-ready section details into your drawings in as little as 60 seconds. Regardless of your design program, here's a step-by-step guide. Start by visiting SignageDetails.com and enroll in one of our subscription plans, granting unlimited access to download any file from our extensive library of over 60,000 details. All files in our miscellaneous category, such as templates for permit drawings and survey sheets, are included free with any paid subscription service. Once your preliminary drawing set is ready, including elevation layouts, dimensions, and sign type callouts, it's time to take your drawings to the next level with Signage Details. Simply log into your account to access the comprehensive features. Click on Shop at the top of the page and select your needs from each category. Start with sign type, face, face retention, and wall type. Next, choose from one of the resulting sign types. You will now be directed to the order page. Here you need to make a selection from each category below, starting with illumination, power supply, exterior disconnect and photocell, and bolt connection. Then finally, select your desired file type. All files are available in AI, CDR, EPS, JPG and PDF. Now add the final section to your card. Then click the card on the top right corner. Select View Card. Confirm your added product and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, check the I have read and agreed to the Signage Details, license agreement and the website terms and conditions. Then click Place Order. Now you can download your file in the format you picked in the previous step by clicking here. To add your drawing, locate the file and open it. Next, copy it then paste it into your drawing. Voila, that's it. Now send it out and move on to your next project. Sign up today to revolutionize your sign design process, boost productivity, save valuable time, and empower your sales team to thrive.